Hey everybody, so I did a tutorial on Microsoft Excel's TOCOL and TOROW functions maybe sometime last year. And what this allows us to do is take any data that is across multiple columns or multiple rows and put it into one list, whether it be in a column or a row. Now, I was asked by Angelica if we can take the data and sort it in alphabetical order without blowing the array or the functions. And we can do that, and we're going to use sort and sort by to get that done. So this is the exact same spreadsheets I used last year. And as you can see in column G3, we have the TOCOL function, which is just telling it, grab this data and put it into one list. So what we're going to do with this one is use this exact same TOCOL function. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to paste it into H3. Now what we want to do, because if I hit enter, it's going to do the exact same thing and put it in the same order. So right in front of our TOCOL, we're going to add the sort function. Open parentheses and then close parentheses. Hit enter, and it has pulled this list in, but this time it's put it in alphabetical order. So our TOROW is going to be a little bit different because Excel's natural way that it wants to sort is by column, and we're asking it to sort and alphabetize by row. So if I go out here and use the same sort function that we used on TOCOL, and I hit enter, nothing happens. It keeps it the same because it doesn't know how to sort by rows. So we're going to use a different function, and we're going to use sort by. Okay, so here is our sort by function, and I know you're probably looking at this and going, Melissa, why in the world do you have the same thing in there twice? So let me break it down for you. This first TOROW is telling it where to get our data, so it's pulling all of these names. This second TOROW, in conjunction with this sort by, is telling it basically, okay, now put them in alphabetical order in this row. So let's go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, it put them in alphabetical order across the rows. So there you have it. And Angelica, you have the answer to your question. And that's it for today. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, follow, comment, and all of that good stuff. I would love to connect with you on social media. And you can hop on out to my website, melcompton.com, for written instructions for this tutorial and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.